Welcome to today's instructional video on reducing the rational expression to lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on simplifying the expression x squared minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Stay tuned as we walk through step by step on how to efficiently reduce this rational expression. Let's get started. Quote: to solve the rational expression x squared minus 1 divided by x minus 1, we first need to factor both the numerator and the denominator if possible. In this case, the numerator x squared minus 1 is a difference of squares. A difference of squares can be factored into two binomials. Specifically, x squared minus 1 can be factored as x plus 1 times x minus 1. So, rewriting the expression, we have x plus 1 times x minus 1 in the numerator, all divided by x minus 1 in the denominator. Now that we have factored the numerator, we can see that both the numerator and the denominator have a common factor of x minus 1. Now that we have factored the numerator, we can see that both the numerator and the denominator have a common factor of x minus 1. In this step, we will cancel out the common factor to simplify the expression. Canceling the common factor of x minus 1 in both the numerator and the denominator, we are left with x plus 1. Therefore, the simplest form of the rational expression x squared minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is x plus 1. This final step completes the process to reduce the rational expression to its lowest terms.